Hello and welcome to Beanworks University. In this training video, we will be looking at the ERP Integrated workflow for payments made through Beanworks. This workflow applies for ERPs such as Sage 100, Sage 300, QuickBooks Desktop, and other common ERPs that use the Beanworks Sync tool. ERPs like Xero and QuickBooks Online that have real-time connection possibilities through APIs also follow this workflow. If you're not sure which payment workflow you have, please email our support team at support@beanworks.com and they will guide you as to which workflow applies to you. In this workflow, once invoices are exported from Beanworks, they automatically appear in the Create tab of the Beanworks payment module. This happens automatically and there are no manual steps required. It's important to note that only invoices for vendors that have been onboarded in the settings area of Beanworks for Beanworks payments will appear in the Create tab of the Payments module. Someone from your accounting department then selects the invoices from the Create tab that they want to pay. The payments go through the standard Beanworks payment workflow of being submitted for approval, approved, and released. Once the Beanworks payments are completed and the funds are moved, payments will be visible in the Paid tab in the Status Paid, PD. PD payments finish their workflow by being exported by someone in your accounting department from the Paid tab. That person then finishes this process by syncing the payments to the ERP. For desktop ERPs, this happens through your Beanworks Sync tool, or for online ERPs, by pressing the Sync button within Beanworks. This is a very important step, as exporting the payments from Beanworks and initiating a sync updates the payment status of your invoice within your ERP from unpaid to paid. Okay, this concludes our overview of the ERP Integrated Payments workflow. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please contact Beanworks support by emailing support@beanworks.com.